C++ is a powerful and versatile programming language known for its performance, efficiency, and wide range of applications. It's an extension of the C programming language and adds features like object-oriented programming. C++ is used for system software, game development, embedded systems, and more. It's known for its flexibility, enabling both low-level memory manipulation and high-level object-oriented design. C++ has a vast standard library and is a popular choice for building performance-critical applications. Scala is a modern, high-level programming language that combines functional and object-oriented programming paradigms. It's designed to be concise and expressive, making it an excellent choice for both back-end and front-end development. Scala runs on the Java virtual machine, allowing seamless integration with Java and access to its vast ecosystem of libraries. It's particularly popular in big data and web development, thanks to frameworks like Apache Spark and Akka. Scala's flexibility and type safety have made it a preferred language for many developers, especially those who want to leverage both functional and object-oriented principles. Subscribe to be the first to see upcoming videos.